Most people get this wrong when trying to contact Long Game app customer support. They run into an issue, send one message, and then have no idea what to do next. But here's the truth no one tells you. The fastest way to get help often depends on providing the right information from the start. In this video, you'll learn how to contact Long Game customer support in 2026, what information to include in your request, and how to improve your chances of getting a helpful response quickly. Let's get straight into it. If you're experiencing a problem with the app, the first step is to check whether there's a built-in help, support, or contact us section. Most apps provide a support area where users can submit questions, report issues, or find answers to common problems. Here's a quick win. Before contacting support, take screenshots of the issue if possible. This simple step can save time later and help explain the problem more clearly. For example, Alex experiences a redemption issue and immediately takes screenshots of the error message. When he contacts support, he already has useful details ready to share. Jake contacts support without any information and spends several messages explaining the situation. But here's the problem. Many users send vague messages like "my app isn't working." That doesn't give support teams enough information to investigate the issue effectively. This is where most people fail. They provide too little information and then wonder why the process takes longer. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A strong support request usually includes your issue when it started, what device you're using, and any steps you've already tried. The clearer your explanation, the easier it becomes for support teams to understand the problem. Here's another quick win. Check the app's official website, Help Center, or Frequently Asked Questions section before submitting a request. Sometimes the answer is already available, which can save you time. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to improve your support experience. Stay organized. Keep copies of any confirmation emails, ticket numbers, or support responses you receive. If follow-up communication is needed, you'll have everything ready. But here's something many users overlook. Patience matters. Response times can vary depending on support volume, business hours, and the complexity of your issue. Sending multiple duplicate requests usually doesn't speed things up. Instead, focus on providing accurate information and monitoring your email for updates. Let's recap. Start with the app's help or support section, gather screenshots, explain your issue clearly, include relevant details, and keep track of any support tickets or emails. Following these steps can make the process much smoother. You're now better prepared to contact Long Game customer support and get help more efficiently in 2026. If this guide helped you, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, and subscribe for more app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and tech tips.